Hello, I'm Dr. Corey Hartman, a board-certified dermatologist based in Birmingham, Alabama. I have a practice called Skin Wellness Dermatology, and I'm happy today to be sharing my morning routine for hyperpigmentation and acne-prone skin. I have had my acne under control for many years now, but as I tell patients, acne is something that you manage, not something that you cure. So today I'm going to share my tips and the products that keep my skin acne-free and prevent me from having the hyperpigmentation that comes along from uncontrolled acne. So the first product that I start with every morning is Cyspera. It is a novel hyperpigmentation cream that contains no hydroquinone. The great thing about Cyspera is that it provides a nice lightening of dark spots, but it also helps to even out the skin tone in a very natural appearing way. It is applied in a manner that is different than other creams. You apply it to your face when your face has not been washed. It goes on sort of like a mask. And then you let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and then you rinse it off, and then you're done for the day. It's only once a day application. So Cyspera has been my go-to for dealing with hyperpigmentation as far as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, melasma, sunspots. It can handle any hyperpigmented disorder, and it does a really good job in a way that doesn't cause any irritation. My go-to cleanser for controlling acne breakouts and promoting an anti-aging regimen is SkinCeuticals LHA. And what I like about LHA is that it provides a nice lather. It gets your skin very clean. It does not bleach a washcloth, and it helps to decongest the pores to stop the buildup that can contribute to acne and other conditions. So just a little dollop is all you need. It provides a nice lather. And then I rinse it all off and proceed with the rest of the regimen. So after my face has been thoroughly cleansed, I apply my antioxidant. I use Solo by SkinBetter. It is a formulation that has been devised particularly for men, keeping in mind our thicker, oilier, hair-bearing skin. And I like it because it goes on in a way that is light yet moisturizing and provides a lot of hydration, unlike some of the lighter serums that are out. You apply it all over, neck included, and that's going to give you your vitamins for the day to help scavenge free radicals and stop the degradation of collagen that makes our skin look saggy. After the application of the antioxidant, I apply my retinoid. Now I use Arazlo. It's a prescription strength retinoid. It's Tazarotene based. Tazarotene is not retinoic acid, so it can be applied in the morning with no fear of being broken down or irritated by UV light. I've been doing this for 17 years and I've never had any issues. And it really does a good job of not only controlling the acne breakouts, but helping to ease any hyperpigmentation, helps with fine lines, wrinkle development, and prevention of the degradation of collagen as well. And this is the newest player on the block, Arazlo, but Tazarotene is available in two other formulations that you may have heard of. Tazarotene, been around for years, and then Fabior, a foam formulation that has gained popularity in the last few years. After the retinoid, I applied Dermal Repair Cream by Senté. This is a unique product because it improves and increases hydration. And hydration is something that has to do with hyaluronic acid levels in our skin. And the only way that you can really get that is to produce it yourself or apply it directly to your skin. This product has a proprietary ingredient, heparin sulfate analog, that mimics the heparin sulfate in our own skin that creates hydration. So not only are you applying it to your skin in the form of hyaluronic acid, but it helps to stimulate your skin's own production of hyaluronic acid. So that's very unique, and it helps with prevention of irritation, redness, extra dryness. You know, hydration deals with water content and moisturization deals with oil content. So if you're moisturizing but you're not hydrating, then you're not trapping any moisture in and you're not really doing yourself a favor like you think that you are. So that's why I like Senté for that. A good eye serum is super important as well. The eye area does not have oil glands and needs extra protection to prevent wrinkling and dryness. And Restorsea is the one that I like. It's a thin serum. I apply it not only under the eye, but on top of the eye and in the crow's foot area to give extra moisturization and some growth factors that help to stop the crow's feet from developing. So that's Restorsea Pro Firming Eye Serum. And then one last product that I really like is by SkinCeuticals. It's called Tripeptide-R Neck Repair, and it contains retinol, which no other neck cream has been able to incorporate in a way that was non-irritating. The neck, again, no oil glands, prone to dryness, and this is where people really start to tell their ages. So you want to make sure that you're hydrating your neck in a way that keeps it young and firm to preserve your jawline and your profile. And the SkinCeuticals is a product of choice just because it does contain that retinol and does it in a way that doesn't cause unnecessary irritation. So I do that in the morning, and if I can remember and don't fall asleep, I do it at night as well. And then I finish it all up with my sunscreen. And ISDIN Eryfotona Actinica is my favorite sunscreen. It's a light emulsion. You can hear the ball stirring up the ingredients. I use about a line on my index finger. That's enough for my entire face. And it's all physical. There are no chemicals in this sunscreen, which I love. That can be a real problem for some people with brown skin like me, but as you can see, this one rubs in completely and doesn't leave a white cast. So I know that I'm getting protection. This also has some DNA enzymes that help DNA repair. And that really wraps up my morning regimen. We have all our bases covered. I am a person that does better in the morning, so just in case I don't make it to the evening, I know that I have everything covered in my morning regimen. And of course, we're going to change some of these products out as the season dictates, but this is a good core group for me to keep my skin firm and young and even and acne-free. So again, I'm Dr. Corey Hartman. I'm based in Birmingham, Alabama. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter at Dr. Corey Hartman.